project. Shout out Abel, shout out The Weeknd. Hope we get this third album soon. I'm waiting. Oh, there's a plane. That's dope. Okay, just found out that somebody took my Route 66 sticker and my Santa Monica sticker. Why? Check out this thing that I just stumbled upon. It's beautiful. Very small. What a beautiful car. It's a Triumph. So cool driving something like that around. Gosh, that's incredible. I was gonna try to do some DoorDash today, but it wasn't picking up where I was at earlier. Drove back to the Pacific Coast Highway, and we're just gonna do another hike. Found a waterfall hike. We're gonna do that. It's gonna be pretty cool. See some nice waterfalls. I wonder if it'll be salty since it's so close to the ocean back there. Hi, Chazzy. Easily 30 million right there. This place is just nothing but rich. View on the way up to this hike. Incredible. What is that, like $40 million house? Now we're finally getting down to the actual trail. Waterproof hiking boots coming back in here. Oh, I didn't really step in the water. Hey, cute little puppy. That water's a lot deeper than ankle deep, though. What you got here? Oh, it's actually marked for once. Whole bunch of people out today, but it is Saturday, so that makes sense. That's a little clear. It's looking beautiful out here. Let's hope this is stable enough. That's just so cool, dude. Oh, hell yeah. Gotta climb this tree, that's for sure. Gosh, I love these boots.
Fun fact, the water is very wet.
All the rain happened in the spring. There's so much force on it. part of the PCH right here looks exactly like a part of GTA 5. Oh wow, that's stunning. Shift. It's crazy. It's insane how similar this all is. And to pull off the highway real quick for this view. Absolutely incredible. And that view too, all those motorcycles over there. This is so sick.